What's up guys, Joey here of Fuji Tech. And as creators ourselves, we feel very strongly and supportive of those who are still starting out or people who want to be video content creators on YouTube. But most of the time, if you want to be doing this, you first need to invest in a good, reliable camera. So for starters, at the very entry level, we think around 30,000 pesos and under is a good starting point. So here we go. Here are our top picks for vlogging cameras in this price range. So starting off with a popular option from Canon, we have the G7X Mark II. Despite being almost 3 years old at this point, it's still a very popular option in the vlogging community. It's a staple, basically. And there's a good reason for this. You get a compact form factor, great image stabilization, flip screen, manual control, all the bells and whistles you need as a vlogger. Though I will say it does lack a microphone input, which is very important because good audio is half of the picture. So yeah, G7X Mark II. We found it priced at 27,300 pesos over at Kim's store. Again, all the items we're going to be mentioning in this video will be linked down in the description below. Next item is actually the cheapest item on this list. It's going to be the Canon EOS M10. So it's also a flip screen camera, but unlike most of the other options, it does have an interchangeable lens system. So the one we have listed here has the 15 to 45mm EOS M lens. And we found it priced at 17,500 pesos over at Kim's store. Next up is the Sony RX100 Mark III. So here we're big fans of the RX100 series. We actually use an RX100 Mark VI from time to time here in the studio or out in the field. But the RX100 Mark III is still a very good vlogging camera, especially since it's under 30,000 pesos. Yes, if you want that 4K video, you're gonna have to go for the Mark IV and up, but I think for most people, 1080p is enough. Like the G7X Mark II, you don't get that microphone input, but you still get a flip screen, you still get good autofocus, good image stabilization. And yeah, we found it for 26,600 pesos over at Kim's store. Next one is also an interchangeable lens camera like the EOS M10. It's gonna be the Fujifilm Xa5. So again, this deal we found has a 15 to 45mm lens, but the difference is the Xa5 can handle 4K video. So if you want that high resolution, you can get this one for 27,000 pesos over at Henry's. Now for our last few items, we're gonna get a little bit unconventional, but these are still capable vlogging cameras if you use them correctly. Next up, we have the GoPro Hero 7. Yes, GoPro Hero 7. Now hear me out. The GoPro Hero 7, unlike all the other cameras on this list, does not have a flip screen. But the field of view is so wide that you don't even need a flip screen to know that you're gonna be in frame. I mean, even if you just held it like this, maybe, or even like this, you're sure to be in frame, you're sure to not be cut off. And of course, you get a lot of cool stuff with the GoPro Hero 7. You get 4K at 60 frames per second, you get hyper smooth video stabilization, you get in-camera live streaming. So yeah, unconventional, but it's a great vlogging camera. The black edition is priced at 24,690 pesos over at Henry's. Alright, another unconventional option, the DJI Osmo Pocket. So it's a great little device you can take anywhere to get some very, very stable video. So among all the items on this list, the most stable, of course, would be the Osmo Pocket, maybe the Hero 7 at a close second. But yes, with the Osmo Pocket, we get 4K at 60. Again, you get face tracking, subject tracking, advanced noise cancelling. The Osmo Pocket is a great little device. You can get it for 23,200 pesos over at Henry's. The last item on this list will surprise you, might surprise you, because it costs nothing. That's right, nothing. So what could it be? Well, with being a content creator, it's not always about the tools. If you have a smartphone in your pocket that can record videos, then you already kind of do have a vlogging camera. I mean, I'm recording this on my phone now and it's 1080p, looks pretty decent. I'm sure I can produce a lot of content just with this kind of setup. So that's a wrap for this list, guys. Again, good luck to all the creators out there who are just starting. We really wish you the best. We hope this list helped you. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give us a like. Subscribe to our channel for more content. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. And be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.